Do you know many people are having trouble with navigating using their Amazfit Active 2 round? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Import track. Import your desired track file into the Zepp app and transfer it to your watch. Step 2. Start navigation. Select a workout mode on your watch, open navigation, and choose My Route to start. Step 3. Enable alerts. Enable turn-by-turn navigation to receive alerts for each route turn during your activity. Step 4. Check altitude. Check the altitude overview and use slope analysis for detailed changes on challenging routes. Step 5. Return to start. Use Straightline Return or Backtrack to easily find your way back to the start. By following these steps, you'll effortlessly navigate directions with your Amazfit Active 2 round. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Amazfit users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.